Hi everyone, I'm doing a quick unboxing today. I just purchased this item from eBay, but the original seller purchased from Fashionphile. If you guys watched my previous videos, you would have seen that I've unboxed this item before, but I exchanged it for the bigger one. It's so cute. Okay, that's the tags. Ta-da! Oh, it's so much better. This is the Louis Vuitton Montaigne MM in the Rose Ballerine in the MM size, so it's the bigger one, but it's so cute. Look at this. Empreinte leather. Oh, so cute, and it comes with the long body strap. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It's super quick. I have somewhere to go, so I'll see you guys next time.